In today's videos, we are tackling a popular array problem from Leetcode, and it is a 283 moves zeros, right? And it's a super common question asked in coding interviews. And if you are preparing for FAANG or any tech job, these ones are must known questions. So let's dive right in, because this question has been asked in many interview questions. Even I have got asked in HP and Cisco. So let's try to dive in there. And so here is the problem statement saying that given an integer array nums, move all zeros to the end of it while maintaining the relative order of the non-zero elements. Note that you must do this in place without making a copy of the array, right? And so the catch is, what is the catch is here? So you have to do it in a place, right? So no extra arrays is allowed, as you can see in the notes, right? So that is the catch, right? So let's look at the array example that we have given in example 1. So it is saying we have given 0 1 0 3 12, right? And so the output, expected output is 1 3 12 and 0 0. Notice how all non-zero elements stay in the order and all the zeros were pushed to the end, right? So the key idea is what we have to do, right? So we have to move the non-zero element forward, right? So the key idea is we have to loop through the array. First of all, we will loop the array. We will loop through the array, and for every non-zero element like 1 3 and 12, right, we'll bring it to the front, right, like this. And afterward we have placed all the zeros that we have encountered, right, at the end, right? And we have to or you can say we can fill all the with the zeros, right? And this is simple, right? I think you understand, right? So let's go through the code. How will it work and how you can implement, right? Okay, so how I have implemented here, I have taken a count, right, as you can see here. And why I have taken count? So the count will take care of number of zeros, right? And then I will take I is equal to 0, right? So the I is the position where the next non-zero number should go, okay? And that I will declare here itself, okay? So this is the for loop. I will iterate all the elements, right? We will iterate all the elements. So so we can check all the elements, right? If element is equal to 0, we'll say count plus plus, means how many zeros are there I can know in the array, right? If that is not 0, the elements are not 0, what we will do, we will place the element in the array with index I that start from 0 and will keep incrementing with 1, right? And so we'll do nums at I plus plus is equal to nums. Once the element get filled, it will get incremented, right? And then once all the non-zero is incremented in the else condition, I know the number of count of the 0 will go through the loop. I'll create a for loop of I to j to count, and I will fill all the zeros on the num set I, right? That I will replace the index of the previous index, right, you can say, and it will be easy to replace the value, right, in the given array, right? And we do not require any copy of the array to do that, right? And so we count. So what we have did, first we have taken I, right, and the count you know I, and the I is the position where the next non-zero number should go, and we count how many zeros are there, right? So we will encounter, if the zeros is there, then we'll increment the count, and after placing all the non-zero element, we will add. After placing all the non-zero element, what we will do, we add many zeros at the end that is required, right? So and all in this is done in the in place, right? And the time complexity will, if you ask the time complexity, what is the time complexity, as you can see here, right? So we are going with all the elements here, right? So I can say O of n times, right, for the time complexity, and we are not taking extra spaces here, and so we can say O of 1 is the space complexity. That is a super efficient, right? And I think you understand the question, right? So let's recap in a real quick things. And so what we are doing here, loop once to move all zeros to the front, right? We'll do the loop, and then we'll place all the non-zero in the front like this, and then we'll do loop again, right? And we'll fill the zeros, right? No extra space is used, and the time complexity is O of 1 and O of 1, right? So it's a easy win. And if this help you understand the problem better, smash the like button, guys, and don't forget to subscribe for more Leetcode explanations every week. And this is a 6-month FAANG interview preparation series in this playlist. So keep watching this video. If you have any doubt, please ping me in the comment box, right? So that's it for today, and drop a comment below if you have got a different approach, or if you'd like me to explain any other problem. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.